Hey, it's Brian Riley back again with Morgan's Jewelers, and daylight savings is this weekend, and you might need to move your clock an hour forward on your watch. Well, and speaking of service, you've got a ton of service and experience with your jewelers in-house, right?
Yeah, Brian, I've got actually 3 generations with my dad and myself and my son. You know, we got over 65 years of experience doing this type of thing, so we do it well and we do it quick, so we just want to make sure you're taken care of here at Morgan's.
The other thing on everyone else's mind is spring cleaning, and you guys can make that gross-looking jewelry beautiful again, right?
Absolutely. You know, with the excitement of spring, get your jewelry cleaned up. I want to make sure you're not going to lose any of your diamonds in your engagement ring or something else. If you want, you can leave it with me overnight and I can polish it and clean it, so stop on in.
Whether you're looking to buy new jewelry, fix up your old jewelry, or fix those watches for daylight savings, Morgan's Jewelers is the place to do it. Check them out on 3rd Street or online at morgansjewelerswinona.com. Thank you so much for all your help, as always, Jason.
We'll talk to you next Friday, Brian. Thanks a lot.